so we got the 100 out. I installed the V-Force reeds, and then I put a JD jet kit. So I run slightly higher octane gas. I get 94, put some C12 in there. I do the math, so I should be around 98 octane. So I went with the specs from JD for race gas and above 80, because it is going to be pretty hot. It's summertime, just about. So we'll see how that goes. If not, I'll just rejet it. But we're going to go out, test the bike, and see how she rips today. All right, just took it for a quick rip. It definitely feels a little different than what was going on before, but part of the problem is I've been riding the 150R, so I'm not used to two-stroking it, and I'm just putting through some of the puddles because it's muddy. I've been getting a lot of rain, but when I get to the spots where I like to just rip, it felt like it was going pretty good. But I'm going to pull the plug out and take a quick look at it, and I'll try to get some onboard footage next and see what you guys think. So top of my head, I'm at 113, and we got like 126 the back. My pipe 104, so I'm just trying to get some temps to see how hot she is. I forget what the temperatures are. I'm gonna find out, but I just went for like a 20-minute little rip and then came back, so maybe not even 20 minutes, maybe 15. All right, so I just looked. I can run up to like 150 range is normal temperatures, it said when I looked it up. But you could get into the 200s as well. It says between 155 and 210. Obviously that's stupid AI answer. Sometimes this stuff's not always right, so I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think that's right. But I would say I'm pretty good, but what I got to do is I got to bring my little heat gun out there with me and ride pretty hard. I got an area I can go to and then check it, because I did come back. The bike's been sitting for a few. I mean, I don't think it would cool off that much, but I want to make sure. I don't want to be too lean. I just don't want to run the bike too lean. All right, there's my plug. It looks pretty tan brown to me, so not too bad, I guess. I don't know. I'm not like an expert at this. I'm really trying to learn, you know. I haven't ever really messed around with jetting or anything, so I don't know. Let me know what you think. How's that look? It's hard to focus on it. You gotta get it. Yeah, see, then the sun blows it out, but yeah, it's definitely not white, and it's brown, and it's definitely not black. I'm gonna throw a fresh plug in and go back out and then get another check on that plug, because this is the old plug that I had in it. I'm switching over to this NGK plug. Well, this is an NGK, but this is a different one. This is this one here, Iridium. There's another BR9EI, and the last ones are covered in mud. But I'm switching to this NGK right here. Let's see, the number is, it's on the box here. Oh, there it is, right at the top. This is an R625 2K105. So this is the plug I'm switching to. This is what comes up. I think this one replaced those, I'm not sure, but this is what I'm gonna run. All right, here we go. New plug. It's in there. I got camera here mounted on the bars because I forgot the SD card for the GoPro for my chin here. I still keep forgetting that. I like it on the bars because then it's not on my helmet, but you don't quite get the best angle to see my riding. But we'll see. We'll see what this plug looks like. I got the temp gun in my bar bag, and I'm gonna check the temps after a little bit of riding. So here we go. some temps. 126, 125. Pipes 184, 170. The bottom of the jug 132, 115. So yeah, I don't think anything's running hot. 140 at the plug. Hell yeah. All right, I've seen the fuzz for this area. I don't know what kind of park rangers they are, but they're some sort of rangers. They were at the top. I'm not sure if it's supposed to go on those roads, but that's like the best road just to rip. I turned right around real quick. Bike seems to be running good. I'm just not sure. We'll check out the plug, see what this freshie looks like when I get back to the van. All right, let's rip it. Here's the new plug. Again, it's hard to see in the GoPro, but yeah, I don't know if I got enough time on it or not because of the coloring. It's definitely not white, but it is brownish. I don't know, let me know. Lots of noise around here, but let me know what you think. That is the plug there. Curious how it's gonna look when I get it on the video, but yeah, there it is. All right, here's the two plugs. The left one is the old one, the right one is the new one, so that is the difference. But yeah, don't know. I know it's not black and I know it's not white. I mean, this one is definitely brown, so I don't know. I think the bike is running pretty good. Feels pretty good. Whew, all right, final conclusion. I think the bike's running pretty good. I'm going to do some research into the spark plug. The second plug didn't have much coloring on it at all, but that first plug was definitely like cocoa brown, which I know obviously is what you want, but I did go with the JD specs. So I'm on the red needle, third clip, and I forget what the pilot and main are. I know they're definitely drastically different than what was in the bike, but the specs that I did were for 80 degrees and above, or race gas it said, and it's summer. I know it's going to be hot from now on. We're coming up in what, June here? It's June 1st tomorrow, so yeah, should be hot. I mean, it's I'm not a master at this. I got to figure it out. That's my goal. I want to get the jetting perfect. I know I got to adjust the air screw. I haven't touched that, or the fuel screw. I forget what this bike has, air or fuel, but I didn't adjust that at all to spec. It's whatever it's been at since I got the bike. So I bought the bike used, but it's got plenty of compression, and I've been riding it quite a bit. So I don't know. We'll see. The bike is fun. It rips. Here's the van all loaded up. I got the 150R. I love the 4-stroke. That bike is fun, but I got small wheels on it. But that's going to change. Then I'll be really able to compare it. But I do love ripping the KX. It's so light. It's just like, I don't know. But you got to ride it very aggressive. You can't just twist it and go. So it just depends. I don't know. They're both fun. I can't make up my mind. But yeah, let me know if you have any insights on jetting a kx100. But till the next one, peace.